How to activate Commonwealth credit card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video, I'm going to teach you on how can you activate your Commonwealth credit card online. So follow the simple steps. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and search for Activate Commonwealth Bank Card. Then after, you have to go to the official Bank website. Right here you can see the official website, which is www.combank.com.au. Simply click on it. To activate your card online, start by registering for the netcode if you haven't already and log into your account. Navigate to the settings and select card activation under the security tab. Enter the last 4 digits of your card and then check the option and confirm your PIN. Set your PIN and get the netcode and activate your card by entering the code. Once completed, you will have successfully activated your card. Now, navigate to the Active Credit Card option, log into your specific account, and follow the steps mentioned earlier to complete the activation process. So this was basically all about how to activate Commonwealth credit card account. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.